What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender, and today for Tiki Thursday, we're gonna be making the original Mai Tai. So you might be thinking, wait, the Mai Tai, you made that a few months back. I did, but that was the imposter. That was Trader Vic's recipe, which is based off of Don the Beachcomber's recipe, according to this book, Hawai'i Tropical Rum, Drinks, and Cuisine. In this book, it says that Trader Vic stole the recipe, not stole, but was very influenced by Don the Beachcomber with his Mai Tai, and actually credited Don Beach with the drink in his own menus. So, do I believe this? I don't know. It's a very, very contested drink, and it is just one of those that, you know, you have your Don the Beachcomber fanboys and Trader Vic fanboys. I think both of them were amazing individuals when it came to bringing tiki to life, the tiki movement. So I look at them both equally in terms of what they contributed and the whole tiki movement. So I don't want to get into all the, I guess, drama of the two tiki icons. But let's just make the drink. I love good tiki drinks. So let's get started, shall we? First up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of fresh grapefruit juice. Awesome. And for kind of our syrup, we are gonna do 1/4 ounce of Falernum. I'm using John T. Taylor's Velvet Falernum. Then, instead of, dry curacao, which I use in there it's closing, and the other Mai Tai video, we are using Cointreau, triple sec, for our orange liqueur. So I think 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. I'm almost out. And yes, Cointreau is a triple sec, but it's a really good triple sec. And if you look at older bottles, Cointreau did use the term triple sec. So now for the fun part, rums. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of Myer's dark rum. Should have used the other side. Oh well. And then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Cuban rum, Cuban style rum. I know this isn't from Cuba. I live in the US, so we can't have the Havana Club rum because it's Cuban. So I'm using the other Havana Club, which is owned by the Bacardi company. I had no idea. I thought this was just, not going into it, I thought this Havana Club was just kind of like oh, you can have it because it's not made in Cuba, but the history of it is so intriguing. I really think it's just an important part of alcohol history and just history of the world. So I'll link down an article about the whole history of Havana Club rum. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of Cuban rum, Puerto Rican rum. I'm using Havana Club Añejo Clásico. Then we're gonna do a dash of Angostura bitters. Forgot the name of this. And then we're gonna do a dash of Pernod, Don Beach's favorite secret, not weapon, but tool. Then we're gonna add a cup of cracked ice to our tin. We are gonna combine our tins, and we're gonna shake. Okay, now that it's nice and cold, we're gonna just open pour into a double rocks glass. We're gonna get a sprig of mint, slap it, and then we're gonna get our spent lime wheel that we used for the lime juice. Get our biodegradable straw, put it next to our mint, and there we have it, the original Mai Tai. Let's give it a sip. Interesting. So the Velvet Falernum really gives it a whole different taste than Vic's Mai Tai. Whole different mouthfeel too, actually, towards the finish. And Cointreau is a little bit sweeter than the dry curacao, so there's that orange sweetness. And the grapefruit, you can really taste the grapefruit juice. And the exclusion of the rum agricole really, you can really taste the difference. Interesting. I like it. I really like it. In some ways, it tastes like a Mai Tai, but in another way, it doesn't taste like the Mai Tai. I know that sounds weird, but you just gotta try it out. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Well, stay safe, everyone. Stay healthy. See you in the next one.